The 48-volt 100 ampere-hour lithium golf cart battery is designed with A-plus grade cells, ensuring stable performance and superior energy output for extended use. Weighing only 82.89 pounds, this battery is compact and lightweight, making installation a breeze and ideal for golf carts navigating various terrains. With a complete accessory kit, including a fast charger, LCD touchscreen, and Bluetooth app, users can easily monitor and maintain optimal battery performance. The built-in 200-ampere smart battery management system protects against common issues like overcharging and high temperatures, guaranteeing up to 6,000 cycles of reliable use. Installation is straightforward with its flexible plastic casing, and the battery's compatibility with major golf cart brands and charging methods ensures versatility. Elefast provides comprehensive after-sales support with a 5-year service plan, offering technical assistance and resources for any product-related inquiries.